Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Save for Web error in Photoshop. If Save for Web, also called Save for Web Legacy, will not open, freezes, crashes, shows an error, or simply does nothing in Adobe Photoshop Desktop, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting methods you can try. These are easy to follow, and it's best to test the feature after each fix so you can quickly figure out what solves the problem. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop Desktop, then open any image. It can be any photo or graphic, because right now we're only checking whether Save for Web Legacy is working properly. Once the image is open, go to File, then Export, and click Save for Web Legacy. If the Save for Web window opens normally, then everything is working as expected. But if Photoshop freezes, crashes, shows an error message, or nothing happens at all, move on to the next fix. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and click Performance. In this section, make sure Use Graphics Processor is enabled. After that, click Advanced Settings. Here you'll see options like GPU compositing, Use OpenCL, and Anti-Alias Guides and Paths. If all of these are already turned on, and the error is still happening, try temporarily turning off GPU compositing. Click OK, then fully close Photoshop. Open Photoshop again, and test Save for Web Legacy one more time. Restarting the program is important here, because it helps Photoshop reload the new performance setting correctly. If the issue is still not fixed, go back to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and open Advanced Settings again. Turn GPU compositing back on, so you only change one setting at a time. Then temporarily disable Use OpenCL. Click OK, close Photoshop, reopen it, and test Save for Web Legacy again. This step-by-step approach makes it much easier to identify which graphics setting may be causing the problem. If Save for Web Legacy is still not working, the next step is to reset Photoshop's preferences. Close Photoshop completely, then hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift while opening Photoshop again. When the reset message appears, click Yes. Photoshop will then create a fresh set of default preferences, which can often fix stubborn errors caused by corrupted settings. Once Photoshop finishes loading, go to File, click Open, choose any image, and open it. Then go back to File, choose Export, and click Save for Web Legacy to see if it's working correctly now. Finally, make sure Photoshop is updated to the latest version through the Adobe Creative Cloud app, since updates often include fixes for export bugs and performance issues. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and thanks for watching.